I was able to succeed at a lot of things that I probably wouldn't have been able to at a different campus. No matter how many obstacles are put in front of you, anything's possible to get through and keep going.
Have you had obstacles too?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, an unsteady home life, I would say.
There are days when I leave here just absolutely in awe of her ability to rise to the occasion and overcome those obstacles that no person her age should be facing. She is so intelligent and so kind and so empathetic. You can just feel the potential vibrating in her, and it is exceptional that I have the opportunity to spend time with her every day.
I don't know, she's like a super good person. Like, she's helped me out a lot, and it just like, it all really means a lot to me. Like, I can trust her and I appreciate her a lot.
Obviously, with our small student population, you get to know kids really well. Especially with the seniors, they are starting to realize that, wow, I have this real adult life ahead of me. And I think I have the confidence and the ability to go out there and be an effective adult and have a life that is satisfying. So that's just been amazing.
What are you looking forward to most after graduation?
Actually following my dreams and accomplishing my dreams.
What do you want to be when you're older?
A pediatric nurse.
Why?
Because I love helping little kids. It's like, it's a hard journey, but like once you get there, it's really worth it, and you'll feel really proud of yourself that you did it.
I think that she's going to be able to identify the most positive thing around her and use that to motivate and energize her journey. Oh yeah, she will be amazing at anything she chooses to do.